Sri Aranjain Group of Schools. We welcome you to our online learning initiative, Ekalaiva. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Now you are going to learn a new lesson from Raintree English Literature Reader. The name of the lesson is A Real Champion, written by Manoj T. Thomas. A real champion. Champion means winner. A real winner. Now, before going into the lesson, children, I want to ask you some questions. Do you help others? When do you feel happy? When you help others or when you get help from others? When do you get pleasure? When you give something to others or when you get something from others? But the most important is when you help others, you will feel more happy, isn't it? Now, in this lesson, a real champion, a boy named called Lawrence, who became a real winner by helping a boy, by saving his life. Lawrence allowed the waves to lift him up and carry him towards the shore. Then he swam with confident strokes the rest of the distance to the land. Lawrence allowed the waves to lift him up and carry him towards the shore. Lawrence, a boy, was enjoying his swimming in the sea. He wanted to go back to his home. You might have seen the raising of waves in the sea. Likewise, he allowed the waves to lift him up so that he can swim towards the shore. Then he swam with confident strokes the rest of the distance to the land. Strokes means movement of the arms in swimming. Since he wanted to come back to the shore, he swam with confident strokes. Lawrence was very confident about his swimming because he was practicing for so many years. As the sea breeze dried the water off his body, he ran home anxiously. As the sea breeze means a gentle wind. If you keep any wet things under the sunlight, it will dry soon. Likewise, the cool wind dried the water from his body. Dried is the past tense and dry is the present tense. He ran home anxiously. Anxiously means worried or nervous. He ran home fast as he was worried about the competition. Lawrence had to hurry. He did not have a watch or a clock at home. He knew there was not much time left for the swimming competition to begin. Lawrence had to hurry. He did not have a watch or a clock at home. Lawrence was in a hurry. Why he was in a hurry? Because he was worried about his swimming competition. He knew there was not much time left for the swimming competition to begin. He knew. Knew, knew is the past tense, and KNOW, no, is the present tense. Unfortunately, he had no watch or clock and thought that he may be late, but somehow he understood that time was almost nearing that he had to attend the competition. The competition did not worry him, as he had been swimming all his life, but he had to reach the stadium in about half an hour. He was not worried about the competition because he was good at swimming, and his ambition in his life was to become a swimming champion. He was much worried that he had to reach the stadium in about half an hour. If he went home now, he would be able to reach there just in time. He had to rush up to his home so that he would be able to reach the stadium in time. Lawrence had never been to school, even though he was 13. He knew that winning the competition would be the biggest break in his life. Lawrence had never been to school, even though he was 13. Lawrence was 13-year-old but had never been to school. He knew that winning the competition would be the biggest break in his life. Now, break, a piece of good luck, a chance to improve a situation. So, if he wins the competition, there would be a great change in his life. So, he was very particular to attend the competition and win the competition. If he got the chance to represent his district in swimming, that could be a way out of his present situation. Represent. Represent means act for a group of people. Lawrence thinks if he wins the competition and if he gets the chance to represent his district, his life would change. At present, he is poor, and if he wins, he can lead a happy life. He would have a chance to attend special sports schools run by the government and perhaps earn a scholarship. Scholarship means money given to a student as a prize to help her or him to study. If he wins this competition, he would get a chance to enter one of the special sports schools run by the government. He could even earn a scholarship. And maybe later he could even hope for a government job. Everything depended on his winning the swimming championship today. And maybe later he could even hope for a government job. And later in his life, he could even get a government job. Everything depended. Depended is the past tense and depend is the present tense. On his winning the swimming championship today. Attending this swimming competition would definitely change his future. So, everything depended on winning this competition.